Introducing ATTEN ST-2090D soldering iron with station. This 80-watt powerhouse features a bright LED display and a space-saving 2-in-1 design. Station and iron stand combined. Robust construction for precision electronics work. Temperature adjustment is instant. Rotate the smooth control knob anywhere between 80 degrees Celsius and 480 degrees Celsius. See real-time changes on screen. Perfect for delicate PCBs to heavy-duty joints. Working globally. Switch units in one tap. Degree C for precision, degree F for flexibility. Your preferred measurement, always visible. Prevent accidental changes. Hold degree C/degree F button for 3 seconds. Activates temp lock mode. Settings stay secure until you confirm modification. Smart power management. Auto standby reduces heat when idle for 10 minutes. Auto sleep shuts down after 20 minutes rest. Saves tips, energy, and prevents oxidation. Watch real-world performance. T900B tip delivers concentrated heat. Perfect for SMD components and fine-pitch ICs. Full T900 tip compatibility. ST-2090D handles any tip in the series. Here's the T900K knife tip. Notice how it effortlessly solders thick wires and desolders multi-pin connectors. Advanced 4-core ceramic heater. Fast thermal recovery, stable output. Includes a built-in solder wire holder. Keep your workspace organized and efficient. ST-2090D soldering iron with station, where power meets precision. Upgrade your bench today.